I hope that you all are doing great and must be absolutely fine. So here you meet your Sushmita ma'am, and yes, today we are going to just dig into the topic of this soil profile. Now, yes, we just come across this soil every other day, right? So let us know what exactly are the layers of this soil. And yes, for that, you are meeting me. And yes, let me tell you that along with me, you can find some more amazing and dedicated teachers on the platform of the ODA class. So, right on this platform, we can just have a live interaction. Either you want your topic to be discussed, or we can provide you fascinating topics that can be beneficial for you. So, yes, we do have the live interacting app where we are going to learn together. And now, here, how you can just get into this. So, for this, we do have the absolute amazing course that's going to be the bridge course for you. So, here in this course, we are just providing you all the elements that you are wishing for, and you must be amazed of what exactly are there. So yes, you can find out all these features for this duration of 1 week. So yes, in all these days you are going to get 3 sessions of amazing maths and 3 sessions of science. Now, along with this, you're also going to get the sessions of the English. So do not worry for that. And one of the major thing that you might be like, I haven't found this. And you know what is that? That's the personal teacher support. This personal teacher support will be delivered to you right the moment you are there in the bridge course. And yes, along with this, you are going to get the way of delivering the homeworks assignment right on the app. So you do not have to go anywhere. Just on the app itself, you're going to get all these features. And yes, of course, this is the time of competition. So in this competitive time, we do have the way of how we can just give you the question, the well-class question, and that can be answered by you by attempting the quizzes and the different types of competition level like Olympiads we do prepare for. And along with this, you're also going to get the entire PDF material, the study material that will be given to you via PDF form. Okay, so I hope that you have got all of these features as you are there in the bridge course, right? So how you can get into this, right? So you have to just make a click on this link which is being given in the description box. So go to the description box and there you're going to find out this, and you have to just pay 49 rupees. That is as easy as that. So just pay 49 rupees and there you with the ODA class. So yes, enroll right now. I'm going to see you in my session. Yes, of course. So yes, here you meet your Sushmita ma'am. And yes, if you look into the credentials, I have done my bachelor's from RI NCERT. Also, I've done my master's and try to bag the silver medal. So yes, we are here to learn together the concept of the soil profile. Now, when we look into this profile, right, we do all have the profile, right profile, then left profile. So the soil do have the profile. Now, this profile is like a side profile. Now, when you look into this profile, you will find that what are the layers of the soil. In regard of that, when you look into the entire thing, what does this mean? Right? So this means that the profile of the soil, the layers, what it is distinguished into. So let me just highlight the points that will be very useful for you. So what is this? A vertical section. What do you mean by vertical section? That is from top to bottom in this way. So this is going to be like this. This is the vertical section. Now when we look into the vertical section through the soil, showing the different layers of the soil. So vertical section showing the different layers of the soil, that is your soil profile. Now when you look into the entire profile, one by one, you will find that they have been designated as O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon. Now, all of these O, A, B, C, R, right? The same A, B, C, D, right? So you have to just replace it with the R. So O, A, B, C, R. So in this way, you have got to know the name of the profile. That's that of the soil profile. So O and A, they bind together. Like if you find out the topsoil, you will get the O horizon and the A horizon. Now these both are regarded as topsoil. Now referring for the second one, we do have the B horizon. Now for the B horizon, we call it as subsoil. We call it as subsoil. Now for the next one, we do have the sea horizon. Now, the sea horizon is designated for the substratum, the sub-layer, right? Now, for this last one, yes, the backbenchers, they are going to rock and they are termed as the bedrock. Now, when you have found all of this, you must have found that yes, there are certain features, or you can look into the particles of the soil. You will find that yes, there are some differences among each of the layers. And yes, let us look into, just zoom into this. So yes, we do have the very first layer to discuss, and that is going to be the O horizon, right? And after that, A, B, C, and then we will further go for the R as well. So yes, the very first layer, this is going to be the O horizon. Now, this is the upper layer of the topsoil. This is going to be the uppermost layer of the topsoil. Just not the upper, it is the uppermost of the layer of the soil. Now, they do have the organic matter, right? The dead organic matter. They're going to contain all the natural matters and the microorganism. Now, what is the color? Color, if you found that, you will find that it is little bit dark brown to blackish in color, like brown, dark brown, or blackish in color. So, in that manner, you will find this horizon. Now, following up with the next one, we do have the A horizon, which is included in the topsoil as well. Now, this it is also known as humus layer. Now, what do you mean by humus? This is the dead and decayed matter of the plants and animals. So, this is going to nurture the soil. This is going to add the nutritive value to the soil. So, this layer contains humus. It is soft and porous. Suppose you are pouring water, it will absorb very efficiently. Then it is very good for the seed germination. So seed germination takes place in this horizon only, in this layer only. That is A layer. That takes place in this layer only. Contains microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. So these microorganisms are present here, which will make this humus much more nutritive by decaying it. So there are humus present, microorganism present. Where it is present? In the A layer. Now, if you look into the more of the like what is there after the A horizon, then we have the B horizon. Now it contains slightly bigger particle than the A horizon. So when you look into the A horizon, you will find that yes, there are smaller particles. Now when you are moving down vertically, you will find that B horizon has arrived by looking into the size of the particle. So that is little bit more bigger than the A1. In this case, they are also going to contain humus, but in lesser amount. Then you will find that they're a little bit harder and compact. Where you have seen that A horizon is soft and porous, whereas it is going to be harder and compact. Then the color, it is comparatively lighter than the A1. So you will find that, so humus, that was like if you're going to on the top of the soil, the uppermost, the O1, it was little brownish black. When you have the A1, we have found that it is brownish color. Now moving forward, you will find that it is getting lighter, like term by term, layer by layer. Now, then after the B horizon, we do have the C horizon. Now, this is also referred as substratum. Now, if it is known as substratum, it means that the sublayer. Now, it contains small lumps of the broken rock. So, the rock is there, but in the broken form. So, these broken rocks are found in the sea horizon. And by partial weathering and all, it will get broken down and it will form the sea horizon. But when you look into the last one, you will find that it is going to be unweathered. It is not going to get broken as in case of the C1. In the R layer, we will find out that it is going to be unweathered. It is not broken, it is a harder rock-like particle. So unweathered soil, that is going to be called as bedrock. Why bedrock? Because it is lying beneath the last layer, the R layer. It is going to form the bed, right? And on the top of it, you're finding the substratum, you're finding the B1, then the A1, and then the O1, right? So you have the layer after the bedrock. So bedrock is going to have, like, it is going to produce, you can say that it is going to be a larger kind of particles. So that has produced the soil over a long period of time. So it took a long period of time and then it has been converted into the soil. So it is located under the sea horizon. So what you have got? You have got how many layers? Yes, we have got O, we have got A, we have got B, we have got C, and then the R. And this has been referred as topsoil, subsoil. Then we have the substratum, and then is the bedrock. So yes, here you get the entire soil profile. So I hope that you made the soil profile. Now, yes, if you want certain kind of concept that would be delivered to you in the way that you are easy with, so you can get this with the live learning app, the innovative live learning app. And yes, how you can get into this, which is going to start right from the coming Monday, and you can be the part of the student of the one who is already have got participated, because in this duration already 25 to 35 students have enrolled. So I want that you should be the part of this bridge course, so you can get to have what and you can just look into the features. That is absolutely such a classic feature. You're going to get 1 week of duration where you're going to get 3 sessions of the maths and 3 sessions of science. Along with this, the amazing personal teacher right for you who's going to solve each of the details that you are bothering for, and that will be easy. And yes, after that, definitely you're going to get the homework, the test, and yes, you're going to get the book material in the PDF form. And yes, if you are willing to go for this, let me just tell you, click on this link which is being provided in the description box. So go and click on that link and be the part of the ODA family. And yes, let me see you there. And yes, of course, if you want to share it with your friends, you can just share them by saying that you are gonna get the gifts, right? If you're there in the bridge group, you're gonna receive it. So you can win the In Christmas Smart water bottle, which is going to tell you the temperature of the water that is being there. And then, of course, you can get the MI Band 5. You can also win the sound bar. And of course, if you are reading well, if you are earning the coins, you can even win the phone. So you do have the chance to win the phone. And by how? You can just learn and earn. So you are earning just by learning. So yes, this is the point where you can just learn and earn, right? So yes, if you want to share it, do share. And yes, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for much more information in this way. See you then. Bye bye.